I mean, it's in there. I have to pay extra for shipping. Clean looking. Oh, nah. Oh, hell. Y'all know what time it is if we degreasing that cross member. This is what holds the transmission in the back for those that don't know. Ooh, get this cleaned up. Spray painted black so we can slap that tranny in, boy. All right, yes sir, cleaned up a little bit, took all them leaves out that motherfucker so I won't be rolling around in them. Finna stab this torque converter and get settled to slap this boy in here. Gotta get the test driving tomorrow for sure, so if I slap it on there today, tighten up everything in the morning, I should be able to test drive it. Like I was telling y'all before, Frank the one that started all this for me, so I had to take my ass some time to find all the bolts. I still ain't found everything. And I don't know if he had it higher and he lowered it or what, because he did do the transmission and the suspension. I don't see how he got the transmission out. I mean, he didn't use that cart, but still. Might have to jack it up a little bit. But right now I gotta make sure I got all the bolts I need first, and then we go to stabbing it in. And of course, you know we have to leak some oil somewhere. Oh, the homie B came over, helped me stab it in. It's not all the way in. I mean, it's in there. We just bolted the bolts. Get my cross member up in there. Woo! We close for a test drive. Hopefully tomorrow. Button it all up, put some transmission fluid, and we'll give her a test drive. Yo, fellas, what it do, baby? Y'all see me with the Kool-Aid smile? Nah, cause I gotta go to work. It's a shitty day weather-wise too. But we got two good things for the box. We got tag action, and, well, I covered them up cause it's raining. We got the tires in for the Daytons, the ones we won a couple videos ago. I didn't film me putting the transmission on, but it's on. Haven't test drove the car yet. Have to top off the fluids. Hopefully here today we will be test driving it, so that's why I brought the tags. I will be mounting the tires today, and quite possibly maybe it'll turn out good. We'll see. Man, these whole ass 13s getting hard to find. Have to get them from Dallas. Have to pay extra for shipping. But we got them. It was raining this morning, so I even covered them up. I ain't even want to get the boxes messed up. But y'all know what it do. Got the Daytons on deck. Finna do the mount the tires on here real quick. There y'all go, fresh out the pack. What y'all know about that? Woo!
Plus, Pretty Litter offers free delivery. Order today at prettylitter.com.
Check it out, y'all. I took out the box. And what? It has like this letter. I don't know, I never seen this. Oh shit. We got proper instructions. That's pretty tight. Like I said, I ain't never owned some real Daytons. there we go, fellas. Finna do the other 4. Got my tires over there. Got the rest of the rims over there. I'll hit y'all back when we got them all done. Real deal Holyfield from Dayton, Ohio. I've always rode Chinas. These the first American made wheels I've owned. Well, I actually did have a set of Daytons, but them hoes were never on a car. They were supposed to get refurbished and I never did. And they got stolen out the backyard. Anyways, woo, behind the camera I'm cheesing, boy. Look at that. It's just something about rolling stamp though. They got another stamp on the lip I barely noticed. Check it out. I didn't even know about that one. Can y'all see it? Hold on. There it goes. Can y'all see it? I didn't even know they had the stamp right there on the lip. I know they had it on the hub. That little Dayton just makes it so clean. Plus, I love 72s. Don't get me wrong, 100 spokes and 88s is all cool. Cross-laced, probably my second favorite. But clean and simple 72s have always been my favorite. Look at that sun shine through. See? Y'all seen earlier it was raining. As soon as I opened the pack up, the sun came out. Oh, these boys want to shine. I left the rest of the spinners at home, but I forgot this one had a spinner. Check it out. Really, I like the tri-bar, the 3 for the Daytons, but this one will do. This is clean. It's like a embossed sticker, but it's pretty clean looking. Woo, fellas, there I go. Got them all mounted up. Got me sweating this morning, but we got them ready. Now let's get back on the box. If the test drive don't go good, we not putting them on. But if it do, we might slap them on. We'll see. Back to the regularly scheduled program. Dump some more tranny fluid in there. I actually got to put a new thermostat real quick, bleed the brakes. Then I'm gonna turn it on and check my fluids right. It is a shitty ass day today. Y'all can see it's raining. But we still need to get this test drive in, so hopefully it lets up a little bit. Shit, the phone is like my favorite tool, boy. Got questions? Get the phone. Need a light? A helper? Got my phone. I'm out here, I need to change this thermostat. Y'all know what that look like. Clean up the housing area, put a new gasket. Then I should be able to crank up this motor. Now I've thought about it. When I put the transmission in, there is leaks everywhere on this block. But I'm gonna go ahead and test drive it a few days before I pull it. But most likely, we're gonna end up pulling this 305 and just regasketing it. Nothing crazy. Repaint it, but just OG black maybe. And new gaskets and throw it right back in there. But for the test drive, we're gonna roll like that. Let me change this thermostat, fill up the fluids, and crank her on up. Cool, I got that thermostat slapped on. I got my funnel ready. Couple quarts, so we're gonna actually crank her up. Oh, y'all see the dust on this mug? Look at that. That's no bueno. This car was supposed to be out the beginning of the year. Y'all remember? Well, let's see if this will crank up. Been back here not that long, but kind of long. Oh my God. All right, fellas, what y'all think? What y'all think? Oh, we dead battery action. Dead battery. Oh, you know what? Oh no, we are in park. Oh man, I'm gonna have to jump that back. Charger up on there. Let's see if we got better luck this time. Oh nah, let's give it a few more minutes. Let it charge. Like I told y'all, this car been sitting here for probably about 2 months. Battery's good, just drained on me. All right, fellas, let's try it for the third time. All right, let me get some pump action. Uh-oh. She sound kind of dead. I have to give it a few more minutes. We're back in action, y'all. Belt squeaking like a motherfucker, but we back in action. Woo! So we got it all put together, fellas. It's raining like a mug. It's not a great time to do the test drive. Hopefully tomorrow we can do the test drive. All I gotta do is, it needs like 2 more quarts of oil. It's barely marking. So put some oil in it, and I also gotta bleed my brakes. Once I bleed my brakes, on to the test drive. It's Wednesday, the show's on Sunday. If I test drive tomorrow and everything's okay, then maybe we'll make it. I still want to paint the bumper filler. I do have it here, but I don't want to change it and not be able to paint it. The bumper filler I have on the car now is trash, but at least it's painted. So hopefully it quits raining. But we'll see what's up on tomorrow.